In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a document in DocuSign from an email. If someone sends you a document through DocuSign, the process is usually very simple, and in most cases, you do not need to create a DocuSign account just to sign it. To begin, open the email you received from DocuSign and look for the Review Document button. Select that button to open the document and start the signing process. Once the document opens, you may first see an electronic records and signatures disclosure. This explains how electronic signing works and confirms that you agree to use digital records and signatures for this document. Take a moment to review it carefully. When you're ready, select the checkbox to agree and then choose Continue. Next, select Start to begin. DocuSign is designed to guide you through the document, so it will automatically take you to the first field that needs your attention. This helps make sure you do not miss any required sections. When you arrive at the signature area, select the Sign field. At that point, DocuSign will usually ask you to verify your name and initials. Make sure everything looks correct before moving on. You will then be prompted to choose a signature style or create your own signature. Depending on your preference, you can use the default style or customize it. Once you're satisfied, select Adopt and Sign. This saves your signature and places it into the document. After that, continue through the rest of the document by selecting each remaining required field and entering the requested information. This may include initials, dates, or other form fields. If needed, you can also select Next to jump from one required field to the next, which is especially helpful in longer documents. When all fields have been completed, take a moment to review the finished document. This is a good time to confirm that your signature, initials, and any other information appear correctly and that nothing was missed. Once everything looks right, select Finish. DocuSign will then confirm that the document has been completed. It also automatically returns the signed document to the sender. In many cases, you'll also have the option to download or save a copy for your own records, which is a smart step if you want easy access later. That's the full process for signing a document with DocuSign through email. Thanks for watching.